Okay, this is the invoice.
Okay.
Scroll down. Some more. Some more. Okay. Yeah. That is the invoice, is it?
It's below.
Below.
This one.
Some more.
December 26.
2057. Yeah? Then maybe look at the part document.
Can I see it?
SAP.
Just a moment. I log into.
Okay.
You should put this as your favorite in your web browser, so you don't have to look at the email of it.
Yes. It's like
Với lại đây tháng đơn những tháng này luôn chắc thì mình chưa có mai gặp vào ốc hay là chiều nay đi chuyện sáng con nghĩ là cái mấy cái tự này tôi trước có gì muốn mai nó bị
cái account này em park rồi đúng không? Có
You
account number.
copy the document number?
The system can
Do you know how to open a park document? I can show you how.
We park, but like the system doesn't allow to park, so it is haven't parked yet.
Okay. Also, that means it's not yet entered.
Right.
So there is nothing you can retrieve. You cannot retrieve anything if you haven't key in the data.
Then you have to do it again.
Okay.
Yeah? Can we do it
Yes.
again? Yeah?
Okay. Okay, for invoices related to medical insurance, please
FBC.
post it first to prepayment instead of the expense account.
It's still FB60. Yeah?
FB60, yes.
Yeah, it's still FB60.
The first one.
Well, and only the bottom part, the GL account is like a different one.
Okay. And just a moment. And now I need to open the
You forgot to do it.
FBN, right?
BL1N.
Yeah. Open another window.
Okay.
FBN1.
viết quyền công. Right there, vendor line item.
It's good also to memorize it because you're not always going to be at this window, you know.
Okay.
Gõ đi.
FBL.
1N.
Just memorize it.
Okay,
It's good to know.
this one. FB.
Ideal one.
Muốn học tập có quy tắc.
The name of the vendor.
Can I show you all something? Can you go back to the window? Because it's something time saving. Okay, can you close this? Close this window. Exit, yeah? Okay. Okay, you go back to the other window, all right. You're in this window now and you want to open another window, and in that window, you know you're going to execute FBL1N, right? So you can combine steps. You go to the command bar, /O. O means open, new window. O for orange, yeah? FBL1N. Yeah, press enter. And you open, you get it immediately.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So save. But you need to know the command code, transaction code.
Okay. A. XA.
Yeah. What is the vendor code? The vendor code is on the spreadsheet, right?
No,
No, it's not that.
It is not there.
not available.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
The last month one, yeah? Is it every month, Sheila?
No, this is only every
Okay.
year, once a year.
Okay, then, so for last year, 0101 2022 12 F8.
F8.
Looks okay now. Oh, there are a few, Sheila.
Sometimes they send adjustments, invoice adjustments, because some employees will leave. There's a credit note, or there will be additional employees.
Okay.
Double click here. Okay, right?
Yes, KR. Yes.
Sót rồi.
Double click.
Okay.
Go climb the mountain.
Mountain.
Okay. So this is.
This one already go to the expense, Sheila, I think.
So-
Because this is an adjustment invoice, it's not for the purchase of insurance for the entire year for all the employees. So
Mhm.
since this is only an adjustment, I book
Nada, right?
everything directly to the expense account for
Choose the
47.
Choose the first one, KR. Yeah, right that one.
Okay, and I'd like you to remember that if it is a personnel related transaction, you don't enter the WBS element, you enter the cost center. So there is no WBS for personnel related transactions like
Yeah.
salaries, insurance,
We refer.
CPF.
How do we refer to the cost center?
Cost center, I'll give you a table.
Okay.
Okay.
I think this reminds me of Fall Harbor is the same also, right? Fall Harbor.
Fall Harbor, yes, there's a cost center also, but very few only. One for India, one for Asia, like that. But this one has a lot of WBS elements and cost centers.
In here?
No,
Yeah,
no,
this one.
Okay.
You know, the
Fiction, is it? Karen, Sheila?
yes, the client keyed in the WBS element, but that is wrong. The system will not accept the WBS element. It has to be the cost center. Can I see the employees included in the invoice?
In the invoice here.
Share. Yes. No, in the Excel file. I think it's not in the invoice. Usually, I will ask for the membership listing. See these people here: Cheryl, Ko, Shuang, Audrey. Thus, the cost center. It's good that Client, enter the cost center. That one, SG00104. This is for the support team.
Support team.
Support team, the cost center is SG00104.
Okay.
And then Hansel 103, that is for the consultants. Okay. You can input it now.
Okay.
Okay.
Then,
Okay. Vendor.
Need you back, right?
In FB60.
Go to FP60. We enter the invoice.
We will
The-
enter the invoice.
Yeah.
I need to copy the vendor.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Mình không muốn 371.
There, the event is there.
100, 4371. That one.
371.
Yeah. 100. Yeah, that's the one. Control Y. Go to copy.
Ah, okay.
It doesn't work for some reason. Can you just try to copy using the mouse?
Mình đánh nhiều nhầm hơn.
4371.
That's not what I said.
43.
371.
Yes.
That's not.
Invoice date.
December 26th.
Yes.
So we did 1st January 2023.
Invoice date, we will use the invoice date. But it's the posting date that we will use
Okay,
May
I
1.
understand.
Because
Okay.
the
That is-
system is closed end of April. And posting date. Okay. Invoice number. Invoice number.
I think this one is not copyable.
Just
Maybe in the Excel file.
Rồi chứ.
Excel file.
Excel file.
Yes. Client. Enter the, yeah, there.
No,
And
no.
then remove the. Can you please check if it is 16640 in the invoice? Sometimes he makes mistake also.
Okay.
6640. Yes, 16640. Okay.
Okay.
This one we put January here. 1st January, Sheila. Posting date, I mean.
May 1, Mrs. Said, because it will be closed already on April 30.
Of course, of course.
We are now doing my accounts.
Ah,
Amount 2057.31.
Is that?
Yes.
Yeah, I remember it.
Did it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Just press.
Okay.
See,
Enter.
it's-
Notification,
Wait,
right?
I want to tell. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not red. It's yellow. It's just a warning.
Okay.
Okay. It's just telling you the document date and the posting dates are different.
Uh-huh.
And you know that this is okay, then just press enter. Okay.
Ah,
You have to read all warnings, you know.
Oh.
If you want to ignore, just press enter.
okay.
Okay. Then it goes over.
Okay.
But error messages cannot be ignored that way. Without GST? I thought there's GST.
Viết qua
It's
dòng.
medical. It's medical insurance.
Oh, it's medical.
So disallowed.
Okay, okay, disallowed. Is there a category for disallowed?
No.
No. Huh?
No.
Okay, so just purchase without GST.
Next.
Then 98000, that is the account, the GL account we're going to proceed to, yeah? Prepaid expense.
Oh, for this invoice, you can immediately record it to expense because this is an adjustment invoice.
I see, okay.
Okay, this is an invoice for employees that left the company and additional employees.
I want to see back this one.
For the text box,
Yeah, the text box.
you can copy the Excel file.
Here.
Excel. Okay. Can do that also. And
Period.
the dates.
You know, you can just paste to the second text also while it's there. You go and find the line.
Which one?
The line ở dưới.
In the thing, you go, yeah. You look for the text. Scroll to the right.
But like I need to modify here and then copy.
Okay, then okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
Period. First
1st
October.
October 2022, 30th September 2023.
Okay. You mean here, right? Okay.
Can you please check first the Excel file? I want to see how he entered the description. Adjustment.
You mean
Yeah, that one. Yes. Can
So
you
you-
use these two for the text box below?
Is that as a text?
this one?
No, the second one and the third one. Yeah, that one is okay. The one below.
Oh, the one below. I see.
Yes. Because that is the one that will appear in the GL.
Understand. The line item, the text.
Yeah, line item, yes.
Text.
Okay.
GL account. Directly to expense.
Not this one.
Now
447.
to the
It's in the
expense.
Excel. It's in the Excel file. 447.
47.
Okay. This one need to allocate, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
the amount is there in the Excel file. 3192.61.
Then the same one, 44700. Next line.
This one.
No, in the thing. Next line. Oh, you need to enter the cost center first, yeah?
Yes.
Cost center. Look for the cost center.
Uh,
Scroll to the right.
this
Cost
one.
center is in the description. SG00104. That one. Can you please copy this text and paste it to the one in the line? In
This
that row.
is only, right?
Yes, that's the one.
Copy the whole text first. Everything.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, copy the whole thing. I'll show you what to do, okay? Control C.
Okay.
You go back to the MP60. You go to the text.
Yes.
Copy it
There.
here.
Paste.
Copy it. Yeah. Replace the whole thing.
Yes.
And you mean like
Okay,
this?
yes. And then
Yeah.
see the code, the cost center in there.
Mm.
Okay.
Go to the cost center. Next column.
Cost center is just next door.
Cost center.
Further, Sheila.
Here,
Next. Yes, that one.
like that.
Yes.
Good.
No
Then
no WBS element because this is a personal account. Enter. Okay.
to the
Credit.
spreadsheet.
It's negative.
Negative. Okay, this. Copy
Wait,
this.
the amount is 3416.09. The one there, 3192.61 is exclusive of GST, without GST. So we have to input the amount including the GST.
Gross amount.
Right, gross
Yeah.
amount.
Fine.
So can you please change that to 3416.09, the first line?
You mean this one?
Yes, it should be 3416.09.
Including
Yes.
Including GST, yes, because it's disallowed. So we debit everything to expense, including the GST. How much is it? 34.
Yes.
Oh, it's the same. Okay, okay. Sorry, I'm sorry. 3416.09. Okay, correct.
Oh, I just copy and paste.
Okay, yes. Then next, 1358.78. And not in a negative
You put positive, but change it to credit.
credit.
Ah, okay.
No, okay. Don't put negative.
Credit.
You deleted it.
Why did you delete it? Put it back.
Ah, change it
Okay.
here. Right?
Yes.
Ah,
Okay.
I thought that
Okay.
there's another column.
It is another column, debit credit column.
Ah,
You're right.
Then copy the text. Consultants. The next one.
now overview.
Okay.
Press enter.
Do we overview first?
Press enter.
Press enter.
Then
Net.
due date is in the past. I think it's
Yes.
okay.
Okay. It's okay.
You can ignore. Okay, let me explain what this is. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Because for each vendor there is a default on the what do you call it, the due
Credit
date.
term.
Yeah, credit terms, English like payment terms or something. So it's 30 days.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and this 30 days, since the invoice is 26 December, so the due date is January, is way over, is in the past. Yeah? So this is just a warning to you. Are you sure this date is correct? Because the due date is long time ago. So we know this is okay, so we can ignore it. And how do you ignore it? Press enter.
Press
Mhm.
enter.
Press enter.
I want to ignore. But this
Okay,
is-
there's another one. Account is not tax relevant, but tax code.
Oh, there is no tax code for employee insurance account.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, they configure, they customize this GL
Mhm.
so that there is no tax. Because we told them that medical insurance in Singapore has no,
Yes.
so you don't actually have to enter any, this press enter will be ignored, you see, yeah? You see what happens? Okay, press
Same.
enter again. Okay, I think we can ignore the calculate tax, yeah, Sheila?
Yes.
Yeah,
So
click that,
untick, right?
untick that.
Okay.
Okay, press enter again. I'd like to press enter first, then I simulate. Okay,
Oh.
now it's clean.
Mm.
Okay, you can simulate.
Okay.
Okay. There's a simulate there, you remember? On the
Yes,
screen.
yes. Try the new way.
Try the new one.
Okay.
Okay, now we have.
Tax code does not appear.
Okay, I know why. You have to. Okay, just press enter again. Okay, remove that P2. Clear it. Blank.
Go to the bottom.
Right at the bottom.
The bottom is, I think, blank. Yes. Bottom.
Right.
Yes. Go to
Right.
the bottom. Yeah, that one. The last one.
Don't be
The
shy.
blank.
No, the
Last.
blank.
Last. That one. Yes.
The blank. You know what blank is, right?
Okay.
Okay. Stress.
So stressful. So now enter.
Okay.
So now simulate
Yeah,
again.
simulate again, yeah. Okay, well done. Okay, let's
And can post.
look at it first, huh? Can you check that the net amount is correct? That tallies with the invoice, yeah, that's 205.
7
Correct, yeah?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, okay, good.
Yeah.
We can proceed, Sheila.
Yes. Yes, please.
Only you park, okay? Because we're
Okay.
giving
Can
Sheila.
post.
Okay.
Then the document number.
Number.
1.0.
Về anh dán cho em nha.
Mình đến cho em hả?
Hồi nữa em bỏ vô đó giùm anh.
10.000.
Bác ngồi đây nè. Okay. So we move on.
Yeah. You have other questions, right?
Yes.
This one.
That one.
Oh, this is we cannot found a vendor.
This is a new vendor. I think so. Or yeah, we need to
Create.
set up the vendor.
Sheila, is it centrally controlled, the vendor creation?
No, we can set up. We can create. Shall we teach them to create, or I'll create myself? I will just book this invoice.
I think vendor creation,
I think I should handle it.
you handle it. I don't want them to create unnecessarily, you know.
Yes, correct.
And it doesn't happen often, right? So it's not too much. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So vendor creation, you don't create. You ask Sheila to do it. Okay.
So next time once there is a new vendor, we notice you.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
Right. Email, eh?
Okay.
Okay. Then you have to log out and let her create.
Okay. And there is a missing invoice.
Or you want to do the others first? Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do the others first.
What else?
Missing invoice.
This one we have in the Excel, but we do not have the PDF.
In Excel. Oh, this is deposit. We have the agreement. There is another way of booking the deposit. It's not through FB60. I will just book this in this deposit.
So which function we going to use now?
No, she is going to do it.
I will book. Yeah, I will post it.
Okay.
Okay, then this one missing invoice. Calvin Shia. I haven't received the invoice yet.
Okay.
I only have a copy of the email instruction. So when we record the payment, we will post it against the vendor account. Next. The next one, she'll put C. She'll put C. Is it posted already?
How?
She'll
Missing
put
invoice.
C.
No,
The
she's
one
saying
above.
the Chubb
Can you
insurance.
please? Okay, let's go to Chubb Insurance. This one, I just received the invoice from client. I'll forward it to you now.
Okay.
She will email it.
But email taking a while to receive.
Thank you. Still want to do it?
2 minutes.
Really?
Uh,
You have to practice.
any volunteer? It is very stressful sitting here. Hot chat. Gee,
Chubb Insurance.
yeah.
Insurance.
Chị Ngọc bỏ chạy rồi.
Not
Sheila?
yet received. Yes.
Schedule this week we going to have a training. How many more days, or maybe we know it?
Until tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the last one.
Yes.
Okay.
So tomorrow morning, we will generate the whole bank statement for the month of May. So can you please take a look at if there are more incoming payments from 30 to 31? Because we generated until May 29, right?
Yes.
So
Right,
please
right.
check on May 30 and 31st if there are incoming payments, then please post it in the morning because I have to inform client that all incoming payments are already posted so they can generate the reports for HQ.
Okay. Oh, client is the one to generate a report.
They will generate the ZFI report, which they will submit to HQ.
Okay.
There is some report they generate. I don't even know how to extract it.
So tomorrow you going to forward us the bank statement full month, right?
Yes,
Morning.
first thing tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Then once everything is posted, all incoming payments are posted, please you can send me an email so I can inform client that everything is posted, then he can proceed to generate the reports.
Okay.
Tomorrow, what time? Sheila,
Tomorrow,
you start early?
9, yes, 9.
Is 9 o'clock too early for you? Or 9:30?
No, it's okay.
It's okay, 9. Okay.
9, okay, yes.
9 a.m. So it's 10 a.m. here,
9 a.m. Singapore time.
right?
But
It's 10
we
here.
are ahead, right?
Yeah,
Singapore is ahead.
9
9 a.m. 8
Wait,
a.m.
We are 8.
Yeah,
Oh, wait.
you are 8.
Yeah,
So it's 10 for me.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. So 10 a.m. for you, then 9 a.m. But I think then I have to ask you, 9 a.m. too early? 9:30. 9:30 better?
9:30.
9:30 okay?
9:30.
Why are you laughing now? Too early.
Maybe we
I think
It's okay. I can
right now. 9:30, all right, yeah?
10 a.m. for them. It's okay.
So 10:30 your time, Singapore time, Sheila?
9:30 Singapore time. It will be 8:30 for them.
No, 10:30 your time. So 9:30 our Vietnam time.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Right? Yeah?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, you send the invite later, yeah? Then it's clear.
Okay.
Okay, just carry on. Yeah, so we have a lot to cover. I think refresh.
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 It take a while.
You sent already, Sheila, the invoice?
Yes.
Okay. Then it's Charm Insurance. Download it first.
Để gì chúng ta? Client. Singapore. Salmon Culture.
I think we should discuss later the directory structure. We should have a standardized directory structure.
Okay. Yeah, please.
Everybody have to follow the same. Otherwise, it's difficult for you to look for. Everybody have their own personalized structure.
Yeah. Yes.
What to put where.
Okay. Save chưa? Mở trong cái folder đó đi.
Đấy.
Mở rồi à? Nãy em thấy mở từ email á.
Giờ em phải mở từ folder á.
Em mở từ folder hồi nó mình lưu thì nó mới có trong folder chứ. Tại hồi nó làm xong mình sẽ có một cái document code mà. Folder. Cái 31 kìa, cái thứ tư á.
Đúng cái 31 luôn. Đây.
Cái giờ kìa, 2 giờ 01.
Bây giờ phải làm gì?
Salt Tom. enter the invoice number.
E-invoice number.
And
That's why I
the
avoid.
notification, right?
Okay, just a tip for you. That's why I avoid entering enter. If you press enter, you get stuck like this. You know, you want to enter the next one, you have to press enter. You have to press enter. That's why I don't press enter whatever I want. Then one shot I press it. Otherwise, it's like this: press enter, press enter. I don't know whether you know what I'm talking about. And then you clear, see? So don't press enter too much.
This is office insurance. You can copy the Excel file, but this is office insurance, so you can claim GST.
Oh, I understand.
B3. Copy description in the Excel file. Also paste to the text below.
The line item, there's also text. Line item.
Yeah,
Scroll
can
right.
copy. Yes.
Scroll to the right. Right. This one. Some more.
Gini. Iba ban kim một chút xíu nữa.
Scroll to the
Scroll to the right.
yeah. Okay. Some more. Text.
Yes, copy.
Text.
Text. Copy
Yeah,
that.
copy and paste.
Actually, I think it's already copied.
Just a moment. My fault. Okay. Now it is yours. Looking for a GL account.
It's in the spreadsheet, right? The GL account.
Yes. Excel file GL account. The right side.
66.
WBS element, because this is not related to employee. So that one in column V.
Now we enter, right?
Are you sure?
What's the thing?
Yeah, GL account đó rồi. Where is the GL account?
I think accidentally deleted. Just backspace, the GL, backspace, you will appear again. Backspace.
We just filled in earlier. Backspace.
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 The first one.
The the first one from the top, yes. But why it just disappeared?
Backspace.
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 There on top. Backspace.
Press enter. Account. That's relevant. Okay.
Tax relevant.
Huh?
This is insurance.
Okay, now
Maybe
Cool.
the GL account is wrong.
maybe
in
the GL
Excel.
account is wrong. Just press enter and we'll see what the GL account, the description. Press enter again.
Let's enter.
Enter.
Insurance.
No, it's accepted. But there is a balance of 3,000.
Simulate and see what happens.
Oh. It's the same, right? There's an amount in. But why is there a balance of 3,112 upper right when you have entered the amount in the amount box and the amount in document currency? The line item.
Oh, you have two streaks. Is it?
Two?
Yeah. Okay, press simulate again.
Simulate again.
Simulate.
Is the line item entered twice?
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, maybe it's entered.
Yes,
twice.
maybe. If you can scroll up the scroll bar, maybe there's a line there that's hidden.
Entered it.
No, there's none.
Then
There at the bottom.
it is. You entered it twice.
Can delete.
What's been deleted?
Oh, that is the
You
delete.
know how to delete.
We knew how to delete.
Who deleted that?
I deleted.
Oh, Mrs. Syed. Oh, that's why you know. I thought Sao deleted it.
Okay, I think you entered it not at the first line, but somewhere in the middle.
Yes.
And then it moved up, and then of course you don't see it, you know. So you thought, hey, what happened? So we entered it the second time.
Right.
So there's one there, there's one at the bottom, and then there's one at the top. That's why there's two.
That's why you thought it disappeared.
It disappeared. That's right.
Tax code does not appear in any GL account item.
No, it's only insurance, you know. Can you go to the spreadsheet again? Go to the spreadsheet. There is the AXA insurance, right? I'm just curious about the AXA insurance. Okay.
AXA does not allow.
447. So it's a different insurance code. That's okay.
Yes.
Have you used this GL account before? 466000?
Mrs. Syed, I think they blocked all the GST tax code for
All
insurance accounts. Yes, that is
That's
why
right.
I posted to prepayment first. I posted to the prepayment account.
That means they didn't configure it correctly then.
Yes.
You have to tell them to customize it. I think they misunderstood and thought that all insurance does not have GST. It's only medical insurance.
So that's why. Okay.
Ask them to change this then. Otherwise, it's a two-step process every time.
Okay, I will ask.
Yeah. Only medical insurance. The other insurance are allowed. GST.
Okay,
So that means we are supposed
I will
to.
highlight. To prepayment.
Okay.
Prepayment account, you can see in the FS. Let me check.
Just now we use 98000, right?
Yes, that's correct. 98000.
You remember earlier case?
How do you know? You remember because
Earlier case, yeah,
Okay,
we
just
saw
now
it.
we saw, and also most SAP systems have this number, you know, the
the
file
same
number.
codes.
Yeah,
Yes.
they tend to use the same.
Can
Can-
delete that line?
Wait a minute, you can't change the GL account.
I think you cannot.
Cannot, huh?
It's in gray, so I think you cannot edit it.
I sort of remember.
Can you try to edit?
Yeah, I know you cannot, but maybe there is a way to
The way?
there's a way to reset the line.
Mấy cái là bốc em áp lực của mọi người, em ngồi cạnh em bị áp lực luôn.
Okay, you know what you do? You don't enter, you just this one, copy line.
Copy like
Okay.
now able to
No. Cannot. So
Cannot.
my theory is wrong. Then delete. Then it's okay. Start all over again. You enter the prepayment. What is it? Prepayment, Sheila? 98.
98000.
000.
All zeros. Backspace. Oh wait.
Asterisk.
Oh, this one is okay. This one is okay. We can come.
Text.
No need to go backspace. You hit
Backspace.
backspace.
Trên cùng.
Oh, this one does not require a WBS element because it's a balance sheet account. Can you try to enter and see what?
Backspace. Choose again.
Just like experiment.
Okay.
Select.
If you put WBS element, what will it say? Enter.
Press enter. See, that's not.
Okay.
Yes.
SKB one is WBS.
Yes.
Okay.
Press enter again.
Same.
Does not exist.
There are too many zeros, is it?
I think.
Three zeros only, right?
Yeah, I think you need to reduce one. Should be 3 zeros. Let me check that.
Now you can simulate.
Check amount.
Okay. Tax 230.5. Okay.
What's it there?
Yes.
And now we have to post the expense.
No, I will amortize it every month.
Oh, okay.
Then next.
Below. And go down. Any other? Or no more
invoice.
spending.
Okay. We can post the outgoing payments now.
Post outgoing
Outgoing
payment.
payments. Yes. I will do it first.
Okay.
Then So please log out
Okay.
and
Okay.
then I'll
Dạ.
share my screen.
Không ngon, ngủ với
Ok.
bác thì em sợ quá. Em bị áp lực. Em ngồi bên đây đi. Em ngồi với bác.
This one. Ừ. Cái code tắt hồi hôm qua.
Flash. And
Okay, I log out.
Okay, I'll log in and share my screen.
Thank you.
Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
cái file giàu sáng sức khỏe.
Cái chưa bữa giờ anh gửi cho em nha.
Stop texting me. Stop texting me. 10,000 for each.
Please 7. Now Sheila instruct how to post outgoing invoice.
Okay. For outgoing payments,
Okay.
it's easy. It's just the same with the posting of incoming payments. So for outgoing payments, it's F, the transaction code is F-53. The screen looks the same as the incoming payments. You see it's the same. The screen for the posting of outgoing payment is the same with the incoming payments.
Okay.
Okay, let me open the bank statement.
Cannot see bigger.
Okay, let's start with the first one. Payment to Suntec, May 3, 2018. So this first one. Document date is the date when payment is made, May 3, 2023. Posting date, the same as the document date. Type is KZ, but you don't have to change it. It's already in. And period is 5. Company code.
Going payment.
Easy. Okay.
It's German for creditor salon.
Creditor Zalo.
K for creditor, Z
Yeah.
for salon means payment, so it's creditor payment. Outgoing payment.
It's all in German.
Maybe not. It helps to remember the codes.
Okay.
Okay, the company code, the currency.
Salon.
Currency is SGD. Reference number is the invoice number.
Okay.
This number. Where is it?
Bữa nay nhận tiền giờ trả tiền.
Anh mua một cái thanh cho tụi em này được không?
Không còn thành đó hả?
Còn cái này nó bự.
5535. Account number for SGD, bank account is 120710. Amount. Okay, the amount that you will enter here is the total There is no bank charge. If there is a bank charge, you add the bank charge. Remember, for incoming payment, you deduct the bank charge, right? Because the amount you received is net of the bank charge. But for payment, if there is a bank charge, you add the bank charge because the total amount that leaves your account or is debited from the account is the invoice amount and the bank charge. So in this case, there is no bank charge. So it's 32,018. No bank charge. Text. Account. Suntec.
Okay.
The vendor. Then enter. There. Amount here is 0.
Mm-hmm.
Then simulate. And check date, period, currency, invoice number, credit, debit. Okay. Post.
Okay.
Comment.
Cái này nó ít bị lỗi hơn. Một khổ cái phần mềm này phải lâu cái mình không ngờ.
Okay. So who would like to try?
Okay.
Singapore Telecommunications. Okay, I'll log out now.
Okay. I try first and then Thảo and then Chi. You want to practice?
Cái sau đi anh chưa nhìn kỹ. Nói như thế thì không nhìn biết. Thôi để em qua bệnh em ngồi em thử cho chị. Xong rồi em dẹp một bên luôn cho anh dựa lòng.
Okay. Have you logged out?
Yes.
Save separately.
Em đây còn anh chưa làm đây nè. Em ở đây cái bật bấm luôn cho nó tìm cái file.
Maybe you can add this to your favorites so that you don't have to search for it every time.
Yes.
Dash, F dash.
Dash. Dash 53.
This one.
Yes. Make it bigger.
Here. So we do this
The
one.
next one, yes.
Yes.
Okay. For
Singtel invoices are always paid on the following month. So end of April, this invoice is outstanding.
uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. Payment. SG company code
SG10.
10.
How come they didn't default it for us, Sheila, the company code?
Because sometimes we use also SG30.
Oh, you enter it for two company codes, yeah?
Yes, the Simon Kucher engine.
See,
Here we leave it blank, right?
Yes. The system will assign the rate.
reference.
Okay. The invoice number is, you cannot find it in the bank statement. It's in the FS because it was outstanding last month.
This one.
In the FS? It's not there. It's in the FS.
Just a moment.
AP, tab 6 AP.
We will organize this later.
How come it cannot be saved?
Because I opened directly from the mail earlier.
Oh. You should open one from the shared folder.
Yes, that's right.
AP,
AP.
that one. Singtel. It's at the bottom.
The name of
The
the
bottom.
Intel.
Singtel. Singtel. There. There. 0127. That's the invoice number.
This one, right?
Yes. That's
0127 in column D. Singtel. One, 2, 0.
This is no bank charge too.
Yes, no bank charge. It's via gyro.
Value date, same, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
No need to key in the profit center.
No.
Okay.
Count.
Singtel.
Can search. See asterisk. There.
Now simulate, right?
And enter. Because you need to offset against the invoice. There.
0.
Yeah. Here you can simulate.
There is no simulate.
Yeah. Document.
Okay.
Okay. Very fast.
Yeah.
We are becoming SAP expert already.
Thank you, Sheila. Where is the medal? Where is the medal?
Ask Mrs. Sayed.
Hey, I'll tell you about the medal later.
So I serve.
Yes.
In post.
Okay.
Then
And copy.
the number.
Yes, yes. I just looking for the medal and forgot to.
Cái này mở ra sao mở ra?
This one is from the Android, the shared folder, right?
Mình mở ra mình mở ra mình mở ra.
Yes. So from the invoice.
Làm
Not
quên
this.
copy cái số. Quên copy cái số.
Next, in the bank statement. Iris.
Sheila, how do I find the invoice, related invoice of this one, Singtel? Because I need, earlier I saw you also paste this number to the invoice, right?
It's from last month. So there's no need to put
Put
last month.
just put document
It's
number.
okay. Yeah, it's okay to post it in the bank statement. It'd be okay. But
Sheila?
if it is booked in the current month, then I also put it in the invoice.
Okay. We
Okay.
come up with a question.
Yes.
If we somehow we already post and then like we forgot to copy the document number after posting, and how do we, is it possible to find for the document number?
Yes.
Yes.
And how to find?
I can show it to you.
Okay.
But
Yeah,
all right. You go to the SAP.
for example,
I mean,
like
there are a few ways. There are a few ways to get to Rome. You can start with okay, if you know it's Singtel, for example. Okay.
Singtel.
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 Singtel. You can use FBL1N. Okay. You go to FBL1N. FBL1N.
That we
FBL1N.
FBL1N.
Okay.
You can try.
Okay.
Okay, go to FBL1N.
Slash open.
Or you can stay here. Okay, let's open FBL1N. Okay, and you enter Singtel. We know the number. That's Singtel. Singtel Singapore. That's the one. Okay. Then you, I think the best thing is just go for all items. Okay, and you know it's this month, right? You posted it this month.
Right,
okay,
right,
so
right.
this month. So 010105. Okay.
F.
It does not show the. Okay.
This one, right?
Yeah. You see. Document number is this one. You double click this. Double click.
Okay.
Okay, there should be a clearing document here, yeah? No.
Here.
The 465, is that the payment, Sheila?
Let me open the bank.
I think yes, yes, that's the one.
Yeah.
Correct, the clearing document.
Clearing document.
Yeah, the clearing document.
Okay.
Can you go back again? F3? Let me see. Oh, okay, correct. I was expecting the invoice. There's no invoice because the invoice is from the previous month. And that's why there's only KZ. This is the clearing document, the payment document. So this is it. I was expecting to see KR and KZ, and you have to choose KZ. You know, this is the one that you entered just now. You don't see the invoice because the invoice
Previous
is
month.
Previous month, yes. Because we restrict it to May only.
Thank you. Now she practice the next one. Có nói hơn có quay mình. IRAS GST.
Có cái giấy sổ cái phải giấy
IRAS.
Yeah, for IRAS payment,
yes.
for IRAS payment, we will be using a different transaction code.
You mean different function?
Yeah, yes, not F-53 because there is no supplier invoice recorded.
Oh,
Right. Yes.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we will be using a different transaction code. So let's just skip this one. Payroll also, we will use a different transaction code.
okay.
So let's skip this one also. And let's go down to MCST, May 19.
May 19.
Yes.
Yes, I see.
I think this is the TUAS invoice.
Microsoft.
Can you please open FBL1N and vendor TUAS? I think this is the one. FBL1N.
This is the one, right?
This is the one.
We already in that
Yes, we
function.
already there. Yeah.
So now go to the vendor account,
Vendor
right?
account TUAS.
Was EU? Was that was EU? No. Asterisk.
TUAS first, then asterisk.
Plus.
Right.
Yes, that one. Can you check the open item?
Like you click open item.
Open item. Execute.
Execute.
Yes, that's the invoice outstanding in April 508.10.
Okay, so now we do F-53, right?
Yes.
Yes. There's another window open. Yeah.
There's another window already
Don't
open.
open another window. Go to the invoice. Go to the invoice. Go to this. No, go to
Bank
the
statement.
bank statement. Sorry, I mean go to the bank statement.
Bank statement to see the date. May 19.
May 19.
Okay.
Control Y.
Control Y. Tắt cái
No, you
escape mà. Control Y. Okay.
Control C. Control V.
Document date.
That's the
This is
document date.
document date. May 19.
Okay, you can copy there at the bottom. At the bottom. Someone
Yes.
down. Open. Someone down.
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 Vendor.
Down.
Ah.
Okay.
There.
19, right?
19 May, yes. Like invoice.
Thanks.
One, 2, 0. Okay. Check bank statement.
Check the bank. This one you enter must follow the bank statement. Very important.
Yes.
Don't follow spreadsheet or the bank statement.
Okay.
Value date.
Oh, I think that's all.
Enter.
Yes. Enter.
Looks good. It's
And
already
start
selected.
simulate, right?
Okay.
Check first. Check first.
Check.
Don't post. Everything okay? Date okay? Currency okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, then you post. Because if you post, you cannot correct it. You have to reverse.
Chứ xong đâu được có vui.
Cái khó đến rồi. Thank you, Zach. Thank you, Shayla. What a find it.
Who's next?
Oh, so stressed. Huh?
Who's next?
Then I can, hi Shayla. Then I continue with my.
With My Republic.
My Republic. Voice number. Republic.
My Republic, I think you posted it in May.
So,
Ah,
Right.
us.
Because this is usually paid on the same month.
So how can I go to the park to view?
Oh, is it still parked? Not yet posted?
Yes.
Can you please open it so we can post and then you can. Is it still parked? I think we posted it yesterday. FBL1N.
FBL1.
And check if it is an open item. My Republic.
Close this. Close it, yeah. There's a faster way. Delete that. Okay. Delete. 9. Check. Repub. Huh? Enter a bit more. Don't be shy.
RE.
RE.
Ah, there.
That one.
Faster to search this way, okay?
Yeah, faster.
Execute.
We have to be efficient. More work coming.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the one.
Go to the mountain, right? To see.
Yeah, climb the mountain.
Yeah, that one. 181.44. Can you check the bank statement? It's the same amount, right? 181.44. That's the only one that's outstanding.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Số reference trên gần 1477.
F-53.
Now we copy the reference number, the invoice number. Control C. there's a space. Company.
Account. Bank account code, the one above that box. Value date.
Why do you double click? You have to double click. Now you have to press enter.
Enter.
Now you have problems, is it?
I have to reset.
See, that's
Redo.
why don't double click. No. Okay, now what are you gonna do? Look at. You can do anything. Wait. So what you have to do now? But I think the value date can still be changed, huh? Or not? Okay, let's try.
No.
Get this ready. So enter. What is this? My Republic, is it?
Yes.
My Republic. So My Republic.
Gõ vào My Republic.
Enter My Republic.
Gõ vào đây. Để gõ số tài khoản. My
My
Republic.
Republic. Because it's in this mode. Then you just go to the other window. You know, when you go to the other window, it should be a faster way. Let me try to record. You go to the other window, SAP window. You already opened it.
Có một cái cửa sổ khác đó, của SAP.
No, don't open. You already opened. I mean, don't open another one. There. On the left. This one here. Yeah, the code is there, right? The account pin. The account pin is there.
1004378.
No, the My Republic, the vendor ID. Yeah, that's the one.
Control Y. Một không không bốn ba bảy tám nhớ luôn đi.
Control Y.
Control đi dài đó chị. Control đi dài.
Doesn't work. Control Y here.
Double click then. Don't not right click. Control C.
Back to other monitor, other screen. Cái màn hình này á. Đây là
Okay, now you can press enter.
Enter.
Press enter. Don't next time remember, yeah, don't press enter, double click. And this kind of problem. SAP is very sensitive.
I think you have to redo.
Yeah. Okay. Remember that. Different. Okay. Redo everything.
Backspace.
Just backspace and select the first one.
It's not there.
Ah, it's not there? Okay.
No.
She didn't enter it, is it? Okay, then you have to copy it from the
Cái màn hình này có không?
Tắt hả? Hôm nay của chị.
Có chữ My Republic kia. Nó đó.
Amount.
Người trên năm tầng. Nó đó. Liên thành công ty My Republic Ấn Độ.
Có cái gì? Cái không được em. Cái gì?
My Republic Ấn Độ. Nó không hiện ra Ấn Độ.
Space.
Đây là cái lúc này nè. Đó, ấn hết luôn, tắt hết luôn rồi nó sẽ hiện ra. Ấn nữa. Đó. Tìm đi. Not sure which one. We search again.
Yes, there is.
Okay, so now we enter.
Then you can press enter.
Okay.
Look good right?
0.
Simulate. Check.
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 If that step we forgot to simulate but we click save, is there any problem?
Save or post?
Post.
Well, depends. If you are lucky, there are no mistakes and it's correct. But it's a very, very bad habit. Never post without checking.
I mean, like the earlier step, we need to go to document and simulate.
Yes, always simulate.
But like we forgot to click on simulate. We from that screen and we
Okay,
immediately.
it depends. If there are no errors, it will go through. Or there may not be errors, but you may have made some mistakes. You know that it's not picked up as an error. The amount is wrong or the currency is wrong. And we still post it. So it's a wrong posting, but you do not know about it.
Okay.
So we can post now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you leave the bank charges, for example, you leave all the bank charges. Because if you wouldn't know, right, you'll just accept it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because bank charge need the WBS.
Yeah.
Phải thêm cái thông tin của WBS phong bổ chi phí vô.
Next. HSBC Life, we can skip this. Next. This one, Kelvin Chia also skip. Millennial without. That one. This was posted, right? TK Asia,
I just booked today.
the invoice?
Yes, but in the park.
Okay. Can you please open the part document? Let's see and then post together.
Okay.
Do you know how to open a part document?
No.
Okay, open the transaction code FB FB Bangkok. FB, then V, Vietnam, and O. FBVO. O. You need to put a slash.
Slash
N
slash
or slash O.
slash O.
Slash O. If you will open another screen.
Slash
Slash
O
N.
slash.
Cần chữ O
Nah,
vô
nah.
giữa đó chị.
Nah.
She already put O?
No.
Not yet.
No, no O.
Slash O. Okay.
Yeah?
Hmm?
You entered
Okay.
the transaction wrongly, that's why.
Okay, again. FBVO.
Gõ cái này là thật.
FP.
FBVO.
VO?
Yeah, V. V Vietnam.
V.
This one, right?
VO. It's
V.
O, right? If you will enter? No.
She did already.
FBV0. Ah, yeah. 0.
Zero.
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 0. Sorry, it's 0. Enter.
Sao có
It's there in the favorite. Can you click on it before
Yeah,
assets?
Yeah, postmark document.
FB postmark document, that one. Then the document number. It's in the Excel file, right? You put the document number there in the spreadsheet.
Rồi, đúng không?
dạ dạ.
Yes, that one. Enter.
Here.
Okay. Can we check again? Invoice date, posting date, invoice number.
Open the invoice. Sao bỏ nó lâu vậy? Bỏ lại cái thằng nó đi. Tắt cái máy đi. Bị lỗi gì?
It's be 24.
Invoice date.
Yeah, 24 of April.
What did you put there? I think you put May 1.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, posting date is correct. Invoice number 006 005. Is it okay? Can you go back to the invoice? Okay. Okay. Then 68.40. Can you check again the SAP? 68.40. Currency is SGD. No GST. The text, did you copy from the Excel file?
The text.
Text. Can I see the Excel file? Yes, okay. And then the account code for 17061 and WBS 044008. Okay, can we go back to the SAP? For 17061 and WBS 044080. Okay. Can you please simulate?
Simulate.
Simulate. 638. Yes, okay. Can post. Post.
Okay.
Okay. Then you can record the payment.
Bank statement. Voice number. Gửi cái hóa đơn cũng được. Hoặc cái đó cũng được. Company. Asia Consult.
Consult. Okay. Okay, account. Okay, this is not a gyro payment. I think this is paid via telegraphic transfer. Can you go back again to the bank statement? There should be a bank charge.
No budget.
Okay, can you go down? I think there's a bank charge. Those
Oh.
that,
Fast.
yeah, this one, 0.50.
Sometimes it's a few lines
Bấm
down, you
S
know.
chị cho nó bấm cái ô.
So the amount that you will put there is the invoice amount plus the bank charge. No, 68.40 plus 50.50. So that is okay. That's correct. Then the bank charge is 0.50. Okay.
Account.
No.
Now check and enter. Shall we enter?
Yeah. Okay, good. And it's good.
Yeah.
Okay. That's not the text. You have to
Tax
choose
code.
the text.
Tax code.
No text. No. Yeah, that one.
Select
Error.
valid function.
I think this is the same problem as the incoming payment. When you press enter before being in the bank charge.
No, she already clicked in that bank check. This is correct. 0.5.
But maybe she pressed enter before she key in the bank charge. The same problem we had with the incoming payment before. So you have to redo.
Oh,
Yeah, you have to redo this.
really? But we do in the proper way. Order, right?
No, you cannot.
It's in gray already.
You have to redo.
Cannot touch anymore. It's all in gray.
You have to redo. So /n. Haven't finished yet. I wanted to show you something faster. You know, you don't have to do it in 2 steps. 1 step, you can go back to here.
Is it a /O and
No,
FB?
no.
New?
Okay, never mind. Next time it happens
Okay.
step by step. These are all tricks which save you time. Is it the first one? Yeah.
Enter.
Start. Just enter. No, don't click.
Oh,
You have to click calculate text. No need, right? This one?
no need.
No need. Just
Just
P2.
the
Yeah.
P2. Yes. P2.
Continue.
Continue. No
No.
items were found. Maybe it's a different vendor
Yeah.
code.
I think so. Go to the spreadsheet. You should have there, right?
You mean Excel file?
Yes, maybe.
Yes.
Okay.
TK Asia. TK Astro. Okay.
Hmm?
Delete the vendor.
Delete vendor.
Delete the vendor.
Delete vendor number.
Okay.
Press enter.
Maybe it wasn't posted yet when we posted from the park document. Can you please open again the park document? Park document. I think we closed it already.
Can you please?
This one. Yes. Enter. Can you please post again? Post. Or save as completed, then post.
Just pause.
Save park document.
The document.
Okay, then save again.
Just
Okay.
save.
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 He's up here, above, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Then again. Enter again. Enter. Enter. Then post. The one beside save as completed.
Now post again.
Yes. Okay, now it's posted.
So the document wasn't posted.
Oh yes.
Okay, now
Okay,
you
then go back.
go back to the payment, and the document should be there. Press enter again.
Okay.
Press enter.
Okay. Mm.
Simulate.
Simulate. Bank charge.
WBS.
Yes.
Go to the spreadsheet. Spreadsheet.
Go to file Excel.
Go to your spreadsheet. Not this one, the other one.
Không, cái file file còn lại á. WPS column V.
No, the tax.
The tax.
Reference.
Backspace.
Okay.
You can press it.
Enter.
Okay, go to the sun, mountain, track mountain again.
Okay.
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 Okay, now that's good.
Okay, both.
Close.
Oops.
Okay.
4, 6, 8.
You will get a hang of it. You will get easier and easier.
Yeah.
When I first did it also, very time consuming.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, Sheila?
Yes, it was stressful when I
Oh.
tried it first. The birth pains. Next.
Okay. So we're going to do the for the remain.
Yes,
Or
AXA.
yeah. Or you have other point to train us today?
Can we do it on our own now, Sheila? Or you want to show some more transactions?
Can we check, go through the rest? AXA, the one below TK Asia.
Okay, do some more with her.
Earlier you say IRAS and salary payment.
Okay, wait.
You do-
For AXA, you can do this on your own, right? Because it's the same.
Yes.
You use F-53. Okay, let me go through the others. So AXA, you can do on your own.
But be careful.
Melanie.
You must look for it. It's not always the number.
Mhm.
Sometimes it goes down and you have to go to the next page. Match it.
Yes.
Need to
AXA has a bank charge. So be careful. Then She'll put C. You also posted this one, right? You posted the invoice? She'll put C. On May 25 also.
My boss not to do.
Đúng rồi.
Down? Go up. May 25. This one, you posted the invoice, right? She'll put C.
Dạ chưa.
You posted the invoice?
It's still in the park.
Okay, I will park it in a while. I will post it in a while. She'll put C. Then you
We are-
can post the payment on your own.
But we are login. You cannot
Yeah,
log
later.
later.
You give us some
Later.
time and you can start posting the payment, outgoing payment.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, remember she'll put C as a bank charge. Down, you have $30 bank charge.
Okay, this one is clear. It's one after the other. Yeah?
Okay. Next is a gyro payment. This is payment to various suppliers, I believe. Yes. Did I send this to you or client did not send it? Can I see the folder where you saved all the invoices I sent? So, this one. Yes, that's the fourth one. Can you please open that?
The fourth one
Fourth,
from
From
fourth
the top?
one. Yes, that one. Payment May. The fourth one from the top.
Fourth one from the top. Yeah, that one.
Yes. How much is it? Okay. This is one payment to various suppliers.
Mm-hmm.
You see, there are many supplier invoices. You haven't booked this yet, right?
Yes, we already booked it.
You booked already?
Yes, it's still in the park.
Okay. I will show you how to book the payment to various one payment to various suppliers. It's a different transaction code also.
I think it's similar to the incoming, for few invoices.
Yes, that one.
Yeah, it's similar, but it's good that we do together also. I think in this case, can we lock out and you park it, then we do it together.
Okay, yes.
Can you log out and let her quickly park the documents?
Can you please send me the AP summary Excel file?
Log out toàn bộ là cái code này.
Can you please send via email so I can go through all the invoices that you parked?
Email.
Ok. Chia em dán vô mấy cái file vô cái file Excel chưa?
Dạ.
And
File.
then can we go back to the bank statement also? Oh yeah, you cannot do.
Nhưng giờ anh cần gửi cho Sheila mà Sheila post để anh tắt nó rồi em bỏ vô nha.
Ủa, cái máy của chị bên ngoài tắt cái đó chưa? Tại vì em thấy read only á.
Sheila again, what do you say?
Yeah, after that one-time payment, what's the next? I'd like to go through if there are other payments that we need to do. Go down. Okay, down. Okay, gyro, that's a one-time payment. Down. Job. Next is job. This one you can post on your own, right? We have already posted the invoice.
Okay.
The job insurance. Okay, then down. Okay, then we're done. So what I will do now is to post all the part invoices.
Just a moment. We modify the Excel API and I will send you via email. Now I'm log out the SAP.
Okay.
Oh, we already logged out.
So while I am posting the part documents, are we going to leave the call now and come back later on?
We list down the part and we going to send you email soon.
Yeah. How long do you think you need? I mean, if you just need 15 minutes, we'll just wait in the room.
15.
15
Yes.
minutes? Can you
Yes.
do it? Yeah. Okay, then we wait here. Okay?
Okay.
No point going back and then
Okay.
we'll just wait here for you.
Okay. I'll share my screen also.
Okay.
Con làm gì vậy? Điện ơi, ủa vậy hả? Được giải lao rồi hả?
Chưa em gửi cái file giùm anh.
Từ từ. Trời ơi.
Sheila làm mà mình không xem luôn á.
Là nãy rồi đúng không? Rồi xong rồi, boss lên cái đấy chung á. Trời ơi. Ủa em được giải lao rồi hả? Bên kia có nhiều cái món. Chắc vậy quá à. Ra chị hàng. Nó ngồi xì chết mà cậy bấm luôn rồi.
I sent you via email the AP payment summary.
Okay. Not yet received. Okay. Fuji sales.
Tomorrow, I will take you and the team for lunch. Tomorrow is my last day. I'm going back.
Can I call my wife too? Just kidding.
Just kidding. Okay, can you tell them? Yeah?
Yeah,
Tomorrow,
sure.
12 o'clock, we go for lunch.
Yeah.
All right, my treat. Maybe
Cho
we,
cho vào lọc rồi.
yeah. I can't think of anything else except basilico.
No.
Listen, I check out next door. There are also some restaurants.
Sheila
Hi,
is
Tang. For Fujifilm, copier, not the copier rental is the usage charges. This one. Can you see my screen?
I saw your screen.
Okay. Invoice date is April 26, but here it's May 1. So I'll change it to April 26.
Oh,
Okay, don't forget this.
okay.
2451
Issues. Look at this.
Yeah.
Okay, for Luther invoice, there is uh an accrual made in the previous month.
Ah.
This is payroll for April and bookkeeping fees for March, also GST. So if you look at the FS accruals, there is an accrual here for March, 4,500.
Yes.
So the first line will be to book the full amount of the invoice, that is 8540.21 with the GST. So it's correct. And WBS is 1001 as per Excel sheet, right? Okay, correct. 476. But we want to post also the reversal of the accrual together with the invoice so that you don't have to book a separate entry.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we credit the expense and debit the accrual, right?
Yes.
So 476004 credit.
Mm.
How much was accrued in March? 45. or 5. Be careful, there should be no there should be no tax code. Oh wait, there is tax code will be P2 because there is no GST for the reversal of the accrual right. Then reverse provision for fees. Then WBS the same. And debit accrual. Accrual is this one 089 000. 089 000. Debit 45. No tax code because it's a balance sheet account. And then copy the text.
Yes.
No WBS also.
Earlier, no P2 for the
Accrual.
accrual. Yeah.
Yes. No P2.
No P2.
Yes.
Oh.
Right.
Okay.
Yes, there's no P2. There's no tax code. Simulate. Okay, look at the warning here at the bottom. Document also contains tax code P2, just in case you made a mistake in entering the tax code. But then it's correct, right, that there is P2. Okay, then so press enter, then check. Input tax, check against the invoice, should be 632.61. Okay, input tax 632.61. Accounting fees here is explicit. Then the reversal of the accrual. Credit the post key for a credit entry of a general account is 50. That's credit entry 50 and debit 40. Debit entry.
Oh, the minus
089.
they put in the back of the number, not in the front.
Yes.
Oh, strange.
Yeah. So 40, that's debit accrual 45 and credit accounting fees 45. So always make sure that you don't make a mistake in entering the tax code when you reverse the accrual. Because I'll show you, if you will put P3 also, it will calculate the input tax, right?
Right.
So when you simulate, you'll see that the input tax is not the same as the
Yes.
invoice amount. Because sometimes this will be overlooked.
This is important, eh?
Very important.
Very important.
Yeah.
It's not,
Yes.
and now only they can. Okay.
Yeah. So make sure that the input tax is always equal to the amount in the invoice. Okay, this is P2. Then simulate 6216.
Cái này là book revert, book chi phí của mình này book trực tiếp luôn, nhưng mà tháng trước mình có book accrual rồi nên mình phải làm cái thao tác là vừa giảm chi phí accrual của tháng trước vừa ghi giảm số accrual. Thì cái lúc mình ghi giảm đó, cái phần thuế P2 P3 phải coi kỹ. Nãy giờ cô Sila cô chỉ cách làm.
One of them is wrong, yeah?
Cái hóa đơn Fuji á, mình nãy mình mà mình book vô, mình book sai cái ngày hóa đơn. Ngày hóa đơn là ngày tháng 4. Ngày hóa đơn là lúc nào cũng là book ngày hóa đơn, còn cái ngày post đó là cái ngày 1 tháng 5.
Okay, FedEx is GST registered. Right. there is a GST number. So means it's GST registered. This is an outbound shipment. So this is zero rated. There is no GST 8%. And this is an outbound shipment. The company is GST registered. So this is a zero rated supply. So the tax code is P0. It's not P2. P2 only applies if the supplier is not GST registered.
Got it.
Okay, so P0, zero rated purchase. Okay, okay. P3. P3. Papers. It's also P0, zero rated purchase. At X GST registered. P0. Invoice date. Invoice date is April 30.
Yes.
Okay, so posting date is May 1 because April 30 is already closed.
Yes.
They always close the period on the 10th day of the following month. The deadline to submit the FS is on the 5th working day. So we cannot post anything after the 10th. This is I printing costs. Input tax. AXA we already posted, right?
Yes.
HSBC, I will do. PK, we already posted. Millennia is a different. Do you want us to post together Millennia Private Limited, the security deposit? Mrs. Sayed, shall I ask them to post this also, or I will do myself?
I think it's not it's not difficult. We can do it. Yeah.
Yeah, I will just show it to them also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
This Kelvin Chia, I haven't received the invoice yet. So to record the outgoing payment, I will debit it to the vendor account. So I will show this also to you.
Okay.
You'll put C. Five. 143. For this, she'll put C invoice. They will be recharging this cost to India, to SKP India. That is why they want us to debit this. They debit it to this account 1430029. Yes. Then at the end of the year, they will recharge to India. Coleman. Coleman, we already posted, right? This is in USD, paid in USD. Yeah, we posted yesterday.
Yes.
Or no? I think we haven't recorded the outgoing payment in USD yet. We have only started with chips. Oh yes, we haven't recorded the
Yes.
payment in USD yet. but we already posted the invoice. Right.
We post
So
the invoice, yeah.
the invoice.
Yes.
Let me check if it's in the part documents. What will it say if it's already posted? It's an accounting document, is an accounting document, not a preliminary one. So this means that it's already posted. Already. Then job.
YT post cái này.
This one we already posted, right? Job insurance. Right, the one you posted a while ago. Then all this already posted.
Yes.
Semtech, My Republic,
Yes. To us.
and SP. All. So now all okay. So let's go back to the bank statement again. This job, sorry, Coleman, the payment in USD. You can do this on your own, right? It's just the same with SGD.
Yeah,
Yes.
Using,
Okay.
yes. Only difference is the currency.
Yes, we can.
Okay. Okay, let's record this payment to IRAS for the GST. Okay, if you look at the FS. So what I do first is to generate the GL. FS10N. Oh, not the GL. This FS10N. The posting is easy because we just copy the previous accounting entry to the F-02.
To copy the earlier transaction
Copy
for
the transaction,
this period.
the previous posting. Wait, let me open the GST. Let me check the GST account number.
Yes.
Okay, this is the one. This is the GST clearing account. So when you post supplier invoices, the GST input tax will be posted to this account 154000.
Got it.
For the sales invoices, the GST charge is posted to 175000. At the end of the quarter, these two will be posted to the clearing account 195000. Okay.
Have to net off.
Yes.
Have to net off. Therefore, we click
Yes.
on specific function.
Yes, it is a long process to transfer the input and output tax to 195000, which we will do at the end of the quarter. But for now, this 195000 is the amount to be paid for Q1. Right. So that means that input and output tax for Q1 is already transferred to 195000. This is the net amount payable to IRAS for Q1. So this should be the amount that will be paid to IRAS. 36029.02. 36029.2. Okay.
Can you?
You have a question?
I mean, like, can you say slowly this?
No, okay. See, input tax, output tax, GST.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So every month, for the 3 months, January to March, you will record. In January, there's input tax, output tax, input tax, output tax. In February and March also input tax, output tax. Okay. And then at the end of March or beginning of April, all the input and output tax. Okay. The input tax is in the account 154. Is it 15400? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, and the output tax is 175. Yeah, so at the end of 3 months, you have a certain amount in 15400. Let's say $5,000. Okay, and the output tax you total at the end is 7,000. Okay, so 5,000 input tax, 7,000 output tax. That means we have to pay IRAS
2,000.
2,000. Okay, so these two amounts is clear. You have to clear it. You transfer it to a third account, which is called 195000.
Yes.
So after you transfer it, you will see that 15400 is 0. Yeah, the 175 is to 0, and then you look at 195, you have $2,000. But it is a credit amount, $2,000.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means you have to pay $2,000 to IRAS. All right, and then you file the GST, and then IRAS will come back. Please pay me $2,000. So when you pay $2,000, you have to clear this 195,000.
But
So
we have
you
to
credit bank 5,000, you debit 195 2,000. All right. Okay. So
is
you understand?
understood, but like those one we manually create the transaction, or we use a function to do it.
You know, Sheila, I think
Yes.
this one once a quarter. Huh?
Yes.
You do first lah.
Of course, I will do it myself, but I will show you
Yeah,
how
you just do it.
long.
I think let them settle down with all the normal, and then later on, 1 or 2 quarters later, we will take over this. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Yeah, yeah. And
But
this doesn't take much time for you also, right?
but I don't think okay. This is a very long process. You see this tax code and then this.
Yeah.
Or there's a manual.
There's a manual.
Yeah, that's a manual.
There's a manual. But we should learn how to do this also. We have to take it from her.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Sheila, you just show it to us.
Okay. You might be asking why there is a balance there in input tax and output tax. This is because the FS is dated April 30. So there
So
are
it is
already
balance of those transactions in April.
in April. Yes, correct.
Exactly.
Okay. So the amount payable to IRAS for Q1 is 36,029.02, which was paid on May 15, 2023. So what I do is I use the transaction code FS10N and key in 195000.
Okay.
Then I look for the previous payment to IRAS. So Q4 2022 was paid around February. So this should be the one. You see the balance in December is 3807.42.
Yes.
It was paid in February. So that's why 195000 is debited, credit the bank account. So I copy this transaction. Double click. Okay, this is the transaction.
Okay.
To record the payment of Q4 2022. Debit, post key 40, 195000, and credit the bank account T. Then I open the new transaction code F-02. This F-02 is like our manual journal entry. It's like the journal entry.
Okay.
Okay. Then I click this one, post with reference. Okay. Then it will copy that document number. I tick this one, recalculate local currency amounts. Okay. Then click enter. It will copy that transaction on February 15. So I will only have to amend the document date. So May 15, 2023. And period. GST. This payment is for Q1, right?
Yes. Yes.
So this is the entry. Debit 195. Just click enter. Okay. Now you see the entry.
Yeah.
Document date, posting date, period. 2023. May 15, Q1 2023. But the amount is the amount that I copied from the previous payment. Right.
Right.
So I need to amend the amount also. So I remember I amended the date, the reference, and the amount.
3 elements.
So 36, 39.82. Okay, this is important because here it will recalculate the amount in euro, the group, which is the group currency amount. This 21,000 here is based on that previous amount you copied. So just delete it and it will recalculate.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, dangerous.
Okay. Then go back, press the green arrow, and change again the credit entry, the credit amount. Backspace, 36029. Amend the value date, assignment date, and the text. Okay, again, delete this one so that it will recalculate based on the current amount. Okay, again, check date, period, currency, reference, IRAS. Debit 195, 36029.02, credit bank 36029.202.
Sheila, when
Yes.
you edit the number, you double click on a number.
Yes, I double click on the number.
Okay.
There. Then go back, double click again on the number, review. Okay. And post. This one, it seems that you cannot simulate also. You see, there is no simulate icon. Sorry, not simulate, park. You cannot park the document. Okay, for the payroll, Mr. Side, I will also post the payroll for now.
Okay.
This bank charge. Okay, this bank charge is for the 1007, which you already posted, right? The incoming payment.
Do you create what is it called in SAP? The templates for payroll? Do you use templates? to
No.
post payroll? You don't use templates.
Yes, in FB05. Wait, let me see.
So you use templates, huh?
Yes. FB05, I only have to amend the amounts also.
Because makes sense. I always use template for payroll.
Yes. You want me to show or not now?
I don't know. What do you think?
No, not now. Maybe next month.
We have a lot to cover, you know. Maybe in 1 or 2 months' time, we have another session, and then we cover the rest, which after they are more comfortable with SAP.
Yes. Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Let's go down with. I think it's enough information already, right?
I agree.
Okay. Okay. Let me go through the tasks that we will. I do this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the monthly postings, all invoices will be posted by the client. Intercompany supplier invoices posted by the client. All expense claims also by the client via another app called Chrome River. And it is linked to SAP. They post it from their side. So posting of incoming customer payments will be done from your side, right? Vietnam, AE. Then posting of all external supplier invoices and posting of all outgoing supplier invoices. Agree? Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay.
So F28, F28 incoming, FB60 for supplier invoices, and F-53 for outgoing supplier payments. So only those, yes.
Send me this file, okay? May you send me?
Okay.
Oh,
So
thank you.
for the outgoing payments, you will only post those where you previously posted the invoices. So outgoing payments against supplier invoices. So if there are payments which there was no invoice previously posted, I will post it myself,
Okay.
Mhm.
right? Like the deposit, advance payment to vendor. Okay, so I will post all of these if there's no invoice. So posting of salaries, I will post also from my side because
Okay.
this will go together, posting of salaries and clearing of expense claims, because the expense claims are posted, sorry, expense claims are paid together with the salary. So when you post a salary, you also post the payment of the expense claim. But when I post it, I use a clearing account. Okay, so for now, I will post this. You will do this later on in the next session.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Posting of fund transfers. I will also do fund transfer from one bank account to another.
I think that one is quite straightforward. Is it a lot
Yes.
of transfers every month?
Like 2 or 3
I
a
think
month.
that one we should be able to do. Very
Okay.
straightforward. Yeah.
Okay. So
But
shall I show it now?
yes, yes, we take over that. I remember that is easy to do.
Mhm.
Yes. The only challenge there is the booking of the foreign currency gain or
Yeah,
loss.
I know what you mean.
Okay.
Is this about like a money from this bank to another bank account?
Yes, exactly.
Oh,
Yes.
SGD to USD or USD to Euro.
there is a different exchange rate
Yeah,
for those.
she will show it to you how to.
Okay. Okay. I'll go through this first.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So posting of fixed assets, of course, I will do from myself because from my side, because you will have to use 2 transaction codes. First, you create the asset. The next, you post the invoice against the created asset. So this is quite complicated. Let's do this later on.
Mhm.
Okay, bank reconciliation. We only need, what I need to do here is only to check if the SAP balance ties to the bank statement. But since I will be posting some of the payments which does not have any invoices yet, like advance payment, then I will do the reconciliation for now.
Mhm.
Okay, posting of accruals. Mrs. Saya, this is also easy. You
Yeah,
only
that's
have to copy,
yes, correct.
change the date and the period.
We will handle this, okay?
You will handle this now?
Yes, but you show it to us, okay?
Yes. Okay. Posting of prepayments, just like accrual, but you need to calculate. I will do this for now. The
Okay,
prepayments. Run depreciation and FX revaluation, I will do from my side
okay.
for now. Okay, GST workings also, intercompany payment, and then year-end postings, like asset closing, asset opening. Okay,
We
at the
will,
end of the year, we will do together?
the year we discuss that, lah. The rest not go through that, yeah? The year end one.
Yes, yes, okay. So now we will do the fund transfers.
Okay.
Mm.
By the way, there are still outstanding, there are still outgoing supplier payments which you will do from your side, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
After the training.
okay. So now the posting of the fund transfer. Okay, let's go through the SGD bank statement. There are 2. On May 11, this one, transfer of funds from USD. This is the SGD amount credited from USD. So from the USD bank account to the SGD bank account. And then
Yes.
there's also another one. This one on May 26. From USD also to
Yes.
SGD. Okay, I will do the first one, you do the second one.
Okay.
I also need to check my notes because I also forget. Fund transfer from one bank account to another.
Sheila, can you share your notes with us?
Yes, I will send all.
Không được.
Okay, F-02.
I'm happy to hear it.
Of course, I will. F-02. This is the one. Okay. So the document date, posting date, reference is fund transfer. Then for the header text, I just put from what currency to what currency. From the USD bank account to the SGD bank account. Then period. Okay, this is important. Currency here should be the foreign currency. So if it is from USD to SGD, the currency that you will enter here is USD. Okay, if it is from Euro to SGD, currency here is Euro. But if it is from Euro to USD, which is very rare, like mostly once a year, I have to use a clearing account. It's a little bit complicated. So this one.
I remember all this.
Yeah, yes, like this. Fund
Yes,
transfer.
uh,
This one, clearing account. So that's why I always ask the client to transfer to the SGD bank account. But then there are times when they cannot avoid it. They transfer to another foreign currency account. So then enter the SGD amount for the debit or credit in SGD in this. Okay, I will show you. So document date 11. Okay, document date, posting date, period 5. Currency. This is from USD to SGD. I'll open also the
Yeah, double check.
USD. So you have to open the two bank statements from May 11. USD 504,000
Yes.
to SGD 664,505.86. Your currency should be the foreign currency. So USD. Okay, reference from USD to SGD. Okay, the post key that you will enter first is the SGD, is to record the SGD amount. So this is a fund transfer from USD to SGD. So SGD is the debit, right?
Yes.
Okay, debit SGD bank account, credit USD. So since you need to enter first SGD, you debit. Post key will be 40. Okay. Account code for SGD is 120710. Correct? Yes, 12. Okay. So you see here, GL account 120710. Amount. So
Sheila,
for the
Sheila, stop.
yes, I
Yeah, posting key.
Yeah, what is that?
It's just a key, a code for debit and credit. Okay,
okay.
You might think there's
40,
only
50.
two codes, one for debit, one for credit. But actually, there are many kinds of debit. There are many kinds of credits.
Okay.
Mrs. Said, I'll show it. This one.
You see how many? Okay, so for example, there is a customer credit. Yeah, C is for customer payments, reverse the customer invoice, credit memo, other clearing, GL account, and so on. So it just goes on and on. So it's just debit and credit. But in your case, usually it's 40, 50, but sometimes you will, yeah, especially if you use F-02, and then if you are entering the customer invoice, for example, then you will need to choose, so this is V for vendor, G is for GL account. Yeah, so vendor, see invoice, you must enter vendor invoice. You see vendor invoice is credit, see.
It's a GL account.
So, but for this purpose, it's just 40 and 50. 40 for debit, 50 in credit. Okay, I don't know the rest also. I only know a few other than 40, 50, 15, I remember. I think a few is 25. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So just remember 40 is debit,
Debit.
50 is credit.
50 is credit.
Okay.
Yes, here.
Yeah.
Yes, here. 40 is a GL account, debit.
Debit, is it?
50 is a GL account, credit.
Ah.
Okay, so we select 40. Debit to SGD. Okay, this is an SGD. Remember the currency that you put here, that you enter here is the foreign currency, right?
Right.
Okay, but you are debiting an SGD account, which is the functional currency of the company.
Yes.
Okay, SAP is the functional currency in SAP is SGD, but you are entering a foreign currency which is USD. So in this case, you enter the number here, amount in local currency, SGD, not in USD, not here, but here.
Okay.
Okay, so SGD amount received is this one, 664505. Okay, value date 11. Transfer from USD to SGD. Then it will calculate the USD equivalent when you click enter. Okay, then now you post the other entry, which is the debit side. 50. You see 50 GL account credit entry. Account code is 120720. Okay, you see here USD. This is the currency of this entry, of this accounting entry, right? Okay, so you post the amount here, this side. USD amount is 504. 504, one value date, 7, text. Then it will calculate the amount in local currency when you press enter. You see?
Get it?
Okay. Now you simulate. You would know that it will not balance because of the foreign exchange gain or loss. Okay, simulate. See? Currency is in USD, right? It's debit to SGD in USD amount. Credit to USD also the USD amount. So there's a difference of 3598.43, which is the realized foreign exchange gain or loss. Debit is 504.01. Credit is 504,000. So that means you need to debit FX gain or FX loss.
It's a loss.
Loss. Yeah.
Right, it's a loss because you need to debit loss so that it will balance. So you remember that this is the difference. You copy this because you will paste it later on when you record the FX loss. So post key for debit entry, GL account is 40.
Then exchange gain loss.
Exchange loss is 230000. Yes, the same for Hover. I will put here also 2300000. X loss. If it's again 280000. Two. Okay, then paste it here in the USD box, not in the SGD box, in the USD box. Text. Enter. it will calculate the SGD amount. Then simulate again. Okay, it's now balanced. Debit and credit 0. So I have to check always that the debit and the credit is equal. Here it's 0. Then usually I check. USD credit is 504,000, right? USD 400,000.
Yes.
Okay. Then I want also to check the SGD amount posted because here you can see only the USD equivalent. Okay. I want to display the SGD amount because I want to check that it is the same with the bank statement. Okay. So I'll go to display currency. Click on this. Change to local currency. Click continue. Then you see here debit SGD amount 664,505.86. 505.86. Okay. Then I'll go back. So I can now post this.
It's very important what she just said. You must really reconcile to the USD amount and the SGD amount. Bank statement.
Make sure
yes.
tie with the
yes.
bank statement.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll post now.
Okay. Okay, now we can do one. Is there another one?
Yes, same also USD to SGD.
Okay.
Let's do it. Who volunteer?
Who wants to do it?
Hey, you want to?
But you have to have me.
Okay. I will sit right next to you.
Scared.
Okay, I will log out now.
Dạ ngồi cái nào?
I will guide you. Okay. I want to remember this. So go to the bank statement first. Bank statement, yeah?
Wait for
Wait for her to.
Yes. Business screen. Rồi làm sao nữa?
Okay, I have now logged out and stopped sharing.
Okay, on the right there, beside the leaf, beside the red button, yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, that's right. Okay. And I think really, can you? The locking button is there. You don't have to lock.
Here.
Just double click it. SH dash JA 20.
Ok. Mấy tờ cũng được. Đừng xé tờ có chữ nha. Yeah.
Can you go to the next thing?
Yes.
Okay, Sheila, which one? Sheila, should we do?
That one on May 26th.
May 26. This one 403, yeah.
Yes.
Okay. This is the HDD bank account.
This is SGD, yeah.
SGD. Okay, so it's from USD to SGD.
Yes.
Yes. Similar to the one Sheila just did.
And then it's
Okay. vô rồi mà, vô rồi mà.
F dash 02. If it's in the first screen, you don't put slash, yeah? Just F dash 0.
Yes.
And then post with reference. Use the one that Sheila just, I think it will appear, right, the document number as the one that we just posted, yeah?
Yes, you can try.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Go back to the window. Yeah, just click post with reference.
So Mr. Said, you want them to just copy from mine, or
Yes.
they will do it from the start? Like,
Sorry?
I
Do
think
it.
it's better if they will do it themselves rather than copying from what I did.
Yes, I think so too. To memorize in reality.
Okay, all right. But as you get better, I think we can cut short by using post with reference on this. Okay, do that, yeah.
In another way.
26 May. And if that SG10. Six also. 5. Which one? USD or SGD?
Foreign currency.
Currency. All
Yes.
right. Always foreign currency. So even if it is SGD to USD, you also put USD here.
Yes.
Okay.
Human number.
No.
No.
Okay.
No, to
One backspace.
backspace.
Backspace?
Yes.
One
Fund
transfer.
transfer.
Backspace. Document header text.
Okay.
All right. Just check first, then press. Okay, looks good. Then press enter. Okay. So 40, that means you debit the SGD bank account, right? So the
Yes.
account is SGD bank account. Just backspace. Should be the second one. Correct, Sheila? 720?
So 10 SGD.
Okay, 10. 10 is SGD.
So 20 is USD, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Press enter. Okay. Now here, I think
hold on, yeah.
I always look at this way. So you are recording the deposit in the SGD bank account. So you need to enter the exact amount that is deposited. Then so you have to go, to the bank statement, copy the SGD amount, and put in the SGD. Make sense? Yeah.
Making sense, yeah.
Say, this one, right?
This one, yes. Okay.
Okay.
And the value date, put it as 26 May.
She's nothing.
Can do the text.
Oh no, leave it.
Validate.
Value date.
Backspace.
Text.
Backspace.
Don't press enter, yeah?
Yes.
Then you go to posting key.
Posting key.
Stinky.
Dưới không?
Right. Some more.
Dòng cuối cùng bên trái, về trái ở posting key.
Posting key.
50.
50.
Backspace. Just a second. Check first before pressing enter. Okay, now you can press enter.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now it's a credit side.
Yeah.
Do we have the bank statement? Yes, we have, right?
Yeah. Of course.
Yes.
This one. 29 á, 29.
Ờ.
26, May 26. 300,000.
300,000.
Is it the one?
Yeah, that's one.
Here, yeah, exactly.
Are you there?
New date.
Next page.
Yes.
You can click the document. Simulate. Okay, this is
Stimulate.
simulate. Okay.
There's a
Just,
difference. Copy
Yeah.
the difference.
yeah.
So-
copy the difference.
This is also the lost too, right?
Yeah. Yes, this is the loss because the debit is less than credit. No,
With-
don't
without
copy the
minus.
negative amount. Leave out the minus, yeah? Yeah.
Okay.
So it's the loss, that means 40, right? Debit.
40.
Yeah. Backspace.
Backspace, backspace.
Backspace. Choose the first one.
This is a lost exchange.
The center. Now, this amount is a USD amount.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are
The
comparing.
document is in USD.
And the text.
Yeah. Fund transfer is amount. Again, fund transfer. Simulate again.
They remember in the like alphabet
Okay.
order.
And we check the amount. USD, of course, is correct, 300,000. And you display currency, you can switch. Click display currency,
Switch to SGD.
local currency,
Local currencies.
continue.
Continue. Check
405,
with the bank.
check, is it reconciled with the bank statement?
Compare this
The
amount.
SGD amount, look at the SGD amount.
Oh.
The SGD amount, the first one, the SGD amount. Okay.
Matching with the bank statement
Yes.
amount.
Does that match with the bank statement? Please check
Open the bank statement. SGD.
the bank statement.
Same.
Okay,
Yeah.
same? Okay, then it's good. See, now you can pause. Okay, Sheila, can pause?
Yes, yes, can.
See, yeah?
Cannot remember all.
Where's the medal?
Do you have another one?
No, only these two.
Only these two, okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, we will do this also, bank transfer.
We have another one, right?
Okay.
Copy the documents.
I think accrual, you have to show us.
Accruals. Yes.
Anyway,
Copy the document number.
Copy document. Copy document.
Tớ post là thấy chị Nhi nhớ lộn đúng anh con của Siro nó làm chị.
What is the document number? 1000? Because I will also enter in my bank statement. 1000 or 4 zeros?
Back to just a moment. This we will go into base here too. This amount.
3297. 3297.
Sheila, many steps, huh?
Yes.
Do we have any
Yeah.
order transfer for us to practice?
Other fund transfers.
Yes.
No, no more. Only these. So shall we do the accruals?
Yes, sure.
It's easy also. So you log out and
Yes.
stop sharing.
Okay. Okay.
Cái là đi kho sổ cho nó copy để mà
We already logged out.
Okay, I'm logging in now.
Oh, where is the? Still recording. Still recording.
dạ cái bất ngờ
Move on the call.
chị uống chị nào chị ghi kịp không xem tại vợ luôn với anh sẽ hỏi mấy cái giáo án của mấy cái framework cái nó ra cũng đâu nhớ là một phải mở cái framework con nhớ cái zero ấy thì chuyển gì đó không cái phần môn zero là
Can you now see my screen?
We have an. Okay. We saw it.
You can see now?
Yes, we saw it.
Okay. Okay, in tab 7 of the FS. Okay, this is where all the accruals are listed. So there are different types of accruals. Miscellaneous provision 089000, 089010, that's the provision for bonus. 089020, provision for CPF on bonus. Only 3. Okay, only 3. Okay, so under accounting, we post 2 accruals. Accrual for the certified report. Certified report is 1,000. Is $125 per month provision. 125 times 10. We bill 1.5 for the certified report for the entire year. To prepare the certified report for the financial year, we bill 1.5. So we post an accrual per month of $125.
Got it.
$125. This one I will delete. Or I will.
Certified. This is different with the
Accounting fee.
accounting fee. This is
Yes. Certified report. This is for the preparation of the annual report. Okay, since this is an LLP, we call it certified report. And then accounting fee provision for the month is 4,000.
Excuse me, what is certified report?
The
The
fee
annual
for
report.
and annual report.
Annual report.
So after prove the yearly account, we're going to prepare the annual report, the work file.
Yes, this one, the Word file. Okay, the preparation of this one.
Something like
For
the
the
XBRL, remember? But LLP does not need an audit, does not need an XBRL to be prepared. But you need to prepare this Word document. It's similar.
And then we use this one to upload to the XBRL.
to Accra.
To Accra.
There's no XBRL also for
Yeah.
LLP.
Oh, different.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, this is the one, certified report.
What you have to prepare
Yeah.
at the end, but not now. I mean, at the end of the year or beginning of next year.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes. So it's like this only. We only show the income statement and the balance sheet and the partners. These are all the partners of the LLP, more than 100. And there are no disclosure notes. So only this one. So we
Oh.
charge the client 1,500
Wow,
for
we
the
still
yeah, the same as
good money.
yeah. So 1.5 divided by 12, that's why we book a provision of 125 per month.
Okay.
Did they ask us to do it this way, Sheila?
Yes, Mrs. Sai, they want us to book
Book,
a
yeah.
provision per month because there are times when a partner will leave during the year. So we have to make sure that all costs and revenue are posted correctly every month.
Yeah. Because I think for the other SAP system, I don't actually do it this way. But all right.
Yeah. All Harbor, we don't book a provision, only at the end of the year.
Yes, I know.
Yes. Okay. So for accounting, 125 and 4,000 for the accounting fee, the bookkeeping fee and payroll. So we use FB50. FB50. This one. This looks like the FB60. Okay, document date. This is the last day of the month to record the accruals. Reference. Okay, I copy. When I post the accruals, I open also the GL. Okay, the GL is FBL3N. The customer ledger is FBL5N, right? Supplier ledger is FBL1N. Okay, the general ledger is FBL3N.
Oh.
Yeah, FBL3N. Okay, you see, this looks like the FBL customer and supplier ledger, right? But this one is a GL. So GL account is 089. That's for the miscellaneous provision. Okay, all items in April because I want to copy. So, this will also help to remind me what are the transactions I need to post the accrual for. So this one. Okay, the first item is the reversal of the provision. Remember when you posted the Luther invoice?
Right.
Okay, so this is not a provision which you need to book at the end of the year. I mean the end of the month. This is the reversal of the provision which you posted when you recorded the Luther invoice. So the second one, okay, you just look at the type SA. You see type SA, these are all the provisions at the end of the month.
Yes.
Okay, double click on the second line. These are the Luther provisions. You see accounting fee for the accrual of the bookkeeping and debit to accounting fee also for the accrual of the certified report. So I copy the reference number. Change period, copy and paste also to the document header text. Then what I want to do now is just to copy from previous month. So I go to the template, this one, click on this, 3 on.
Okay.
Then from here, from this folder, You look for the template. Luther approval. G10. This one, Luther SG10.
Okay.
I will amend this. The template includes also provision for secretarial and registered office fee, but the invoice had been posted already in a prior month. So I will delete this. This one. So what is left now is a provision for certified report and bookkeeping fee. Yes, Tang, you have any question?
I intend to ask, it means those deleted fees are transferred to prepayment because we receive invoice already and we allocate monthly basis.
Did I book prepayment or immediately? Let me open. Yes, is it a prepayment now?
Okay, I got it.
Then amend the text. May 2023. Please. WBS is also there.
Mm-hmm.
Where is it? There. It's already there.
Yes, yes.
So what you need to amend are only the dates, the reference, change the period, and the
Mhm.
text.
Yes.
Text here. Then simulate. Okay, date, currency, reference, text, amount, debit, credit. Okay, then post. 3298. Okay, this is done. Next, management fee. Okay. The head office charges a management fee to the LLP
Okay.
equivalent to 2.85% of the total revenue for the month.
Mm-hmm.
So this amount here is the revenue for the month multiplied by 2.85. That is the management fee that we will book as a provision. So on the first day of the month or after we post all the receipts, the client will generate the report, right?
Yes.
I told you that they will generate the report. Included in that report is the total revenue. I will show you the report they generate. They submit a report to HQ, but they only share with me one report. They call it this one ZFI revenue report. And they send also all the invoices. So this report. Okay. I actually don't check all these items. I am only after this figure. This is the total revenue for the month.
Okay.
Okay. This is the revenue multiplied by 2.85 or 2.85%. This is the management fee. Okay, then I will book a provision here.
So they have the schedule for the revenue because now is only May 31st. We have
Yes.
revenue amount already.
I'm sorry, we have the revenue amount already? Not yet.
This amount you mean? This amount is of April?
This is April, but for May, we don't have yet.
So we need to wait.
Yes, we need to wait.
Oh.
Okay, so this one, we need to wait for the report. So after we post all the receipt, the incoming payments, I will inform client, right?
Yes.
So the client will generate the report, which they will submit to HQ. Once HQ will say that it is final, they don't have any more bookings, then the client here in Singapore will generate the report. Then this client will share with me the ZFI report,
Okay.
the one which I showed you. And that
Okay.
is your basis when you book the provision for management fee. Okay, so this one I put in red.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Then provision for
This one.
hybrid.
This one.
No, the next, the button is,
This one.
no, the next. At the left, yes, that's one,
This for the lights.
yes.
You want to certain now, right?
No, I want the lights to be off because there's extra light.
To off the light.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay. Then another provision that we need to book is the provision for hybrid working financial support. Now the client is not totally in office. They alternate between work from home and work in office. So all the employees are paid a certain amount for that.
Oh,
Like there is a work from home support.
great.
Yes, because when the employee works from home, they are paying also for their electricity, right? They use a computer at home. That is an additional cost for their electricity and other costs. So that's why the company paid also an amount, okay, to support the employee. So this is the provision, hybrid working financial support. They pay this at the end of the year. So we book a monthly provision for this.
Same amount every month.
Same amount every month. So it's 810 in total for all the consultants and 240 for the central support, admin, for admin. So you just copy. Management fee, we will wait for the report, right?
Right.
Okay, so hybrid working, work from home. This is the one. Working financial support. Okay, same, backspace, reference. Okay, then after this, you go to click on this icon tree on, and copy the template. Hybrid this one, SG10 hybrid WFS. Okay, 3 off. Okay, then check. You can also see this entry in the last tab, provisions. This is prepared by the client. They want us to enter also the figures here, in addition to the one in tab 7.
Oh, you mean this one client prepare or we prepare?
We prepare. This template is prepared by the client. They want us to enter also the figures in this sheet. So what I do is I just copy and paste the figures there, put it in red. Once I am done posting it, I change it to black. So now we are posting the hybrid working financial support 810 and 240. 810. Okay, this one. Expense account here, you can see in column E, it's
Yes.
449,000, and credit in column F, 089,000. These are the cost centers. Remember that this is employee related cost.
Yes.
So we enter the cost center, not the WBS element.
Yes.
Okay, so 103 is for consultant, 104 is for central support or the admin team. Okay, 449,089,810, 449,089,240, and check. You also need to amend the text, period.
Yes.
Okay, then check also the cost center. Cost center is correct. 103 for consultant, 810. 104 for central support, 240. Then simulate. Okay. By the way, you are allowed to park the entry. You see? Okay, so every month you will record this one and park. So I will be the one to post it.
Okay.
Okay. So I will post it now.
But like, do we have to note the document number too? And if so,
Um,
where to note?
Can you update the FS also?
Okay.
Then you just put the document number here.
Okay.
3299. Okay. Then next, restoration obligation. This is for the reinstatement. There's no more provision for this year. So just leave this. This one also supplier. Provision for suppliers are only required at the end of the year. This
Okay.
one invoice is not yet received, so just leave it. Then we also book a provision for tax service fee, our tax Luther tax compliance fee. Amount is 7833. This is only until, well, let me check the provision. 7833 until June 2023. Shall I also send this to you
Okay.
till June? So okay, next one is tax service fee. Okay, 3 on.
3 on.
Then look for the template here in the folder. SG10. Where did it? Oh, this one, tax service fee. 3 off. Okay, 476005. This one. 476005 089. 476005 089 7833. Then change it. Amend the text.
Hmm.
Okay, WBS should be okay. 999001. 999001.
There is a cost center and the WBS too.
This is WBS because this is not related to staff. So you enter the WBS. But if the cost is staff related, you enter the cost center like this.
In the SIP, I saw the cost.
Is there? Cost? No, there's no cost center.
Next to
The profit center.
profit
This
center.
this is auto-generated by the system.
Oh,
This one?
yes, yes.
Yes, generated by the system. We don't touch this one.
Okay.
So simulate. May 31, May, amount 7833, debit. Okay, post. 300. 300. to 300. Okay. Okay, we are left with the bonus and CPF and bonus. Shall we continue or we'll continue tomorrow?
I think we continue tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah, it's already 6 p.m. here.
Okay. Continue tomorrow, Sheila?
Yes.
Okay, but we will continue over here with what do we still have to do? The vendor.
Outgoing.
Yeah, the
I don't think we
vendor
finished all the vendor invoices.
outgoing.
The
and,
outgoing also there's some incoming payments. I think
Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow morning I will send the full bank statement.
okay. All right.
So now you will continue with the outgoing supplier payments.
Okay.
Then tomorrow, what time shall we start? 10:30 here?
Yes,
Yes,
10:30.
yes.
So 9:30 here.
Okay. So
In Singapore.
Yeah.
okay. So tomorrow we will continue with the remaining incoming payments, the accruals,
Correct.
Okay.
and we are done.
Thank you, Sheila.
Okay. Thank you also, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sheila, thank you so much.
Chị nó lên thiên đường mà học chính rồi.
Anh vậy em nộp đơn xin nghỉ gì còn kịp không? Vậy em nộp đơn xin nghỉ gì còn kịp không anh?